Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Icemaker Kit in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Icemaker Kit and the instructions. The Icemaker Kit is designed to produce the ice cubes on demand. If your ice maker stops making ice, it's time to check it and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the ice container and auger assembly, all we need to do is just lift it up slightly and pull it out. Now we can pull out the ice cream shelf. The next thing we're going to do is to test our ice maker. For this purpose, you can plug in the fridge for a few minutes and follow the instructions on the left side of the ice maker, which says to manually advance the ice maker, press and hold the ice maker switch in the on position for 15 seconds. That's what we're going to do. Press and hold. All right, so if nothing happens, we are going to replace the ice maker. So don't forget to unplug the fridge right this moment. Now, using the 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to loosen up those two screws at the top of the ice maker. Lift the ice maker up and take it off the screws. Hold it up, and next we need to pull out this plug. After that, we can drop the ice maker slowly down, and then we can disconnect the plug by pressing those two tabs on the side and pulling it apart. And now we can pull the old ice maker out. Okay, let's bring the ice maker to the workable surface, and what we're going to do, we're going to slide off this ice cube shield. We're going to reuse it on the new ice maker. This is an old ice maker kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we need to install the ice cube shield onto the new ice maker. We're going to just slide this shield on. And it's ready for installation. Right now we're going to plug in the new ice maker into the harness. Pay attention. There is two outside plugs are D-shaped, so we need to match it with this plug, otherwise it won't fit. So now we need to put this harness and the plug into this box here, so it would be out of the way. So we're going to lift the ice maker up. And place the wire harness into the box. Make sure the plug is out of the way, and there's a inlet hose should be inside that little reservoir. All right, so it's in, and now we'll tighten the screws using the 1/4-inch nut driver, and that will secure the ice maker in its position. Now next, make sure that the switch is on. All right, and we can put the ice container in and the ice cream shelf. Install that ice cream shelf on the rails. There are 4 tabs underneath, and slide it in. Before installing an ice container, I'd like you to pay attention to one little detail, very important. This part of the coupling is supposed to be oriented different way than the coupling at the back there. In our case, it's actually the same way. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the auger 90 degrees, 85 degrees approximately. And then we can install the new ice container in auger assembly by just sliding it in. Make sure it locks. And we can close the door now. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.